A very active Friday is ahead for us here in Northwest Missouri and Northeast Kansas, as we're going to be dealing with a strong storm system that's going to bring us windy conditions, and along with the dry conditions, a high fire danger is in effect for today. And then we're going to have a line of storms start pushing through here this afternoon, and it's going to bring us the potential for strong to severe storms. So today is a day you will need to stay weather aware. Good Friday morning to you, certified digital meteorologist Vanessa Alonso here in the KQ2 Weather Center. Let's get right to it. It is quiet, clear out there on this Friday morning, but our next storm system is setting up. You can see that counterclockwise spin signifying that area of low pressure. That's going to be moving through here over the next 6 to 12 hours. On this Pi Day Friday, we're starting off the day with temperatures in the 60s, sunshine. Then it's going to get windy as we head into the afternoon, as those southeast winds are going to be picking up, sustained between 20 to 40, gusting upwards to 50, 60 miles per hour times. And that is going to allow those temperatures to get up into the mid 70s. And then we're going to see a chance of showers and thunderstorms develop this afternoon, and some of which could pack a punch. As we look ahead to the weekend, behind the system, it's going to be back down to near average temperatures with highs in the 50s with sunshine. We just have to get through today. That is the key. So out ahead of this storm system, again, we're going to be getting those very strong wind gusts, anywhere between 50 to 60 miles per hour. So that is why high wind warnings, wind advisories will be put into effect later on this morning into the afternoon and evening hours. So that, along with the very dry conditions we have had here for the last several days, fire weather warnings, red flag warnings will also be taking effect. So please refrain from outdoor burning, because any spark will cause a fire very quickly. And if that's not enough, the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma has us under a level 2 to level 3 slight to enhanced risk of strong to possible severe storms as we head into the afternoon, as a line will be developing over Northwest Missouri and Northeast Kansas and quickly get its act together and become a squall line as it pushes off to the north and to the east. So our friends in Des Moines, Quincy, Kirksville, St. Louis, down towards the foothill of Missouri, into Illinois, Tennessee, they're going to be under a moderate level 4 risk for strong to severe storms, as they could be dealing with a significant severe weather outbreak with some damaging straight line winds and strong long-lived tornadoes as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Now for us here in Northwest Missouri and Northeast Kansas, that line is going to be developing sometime after 2-3 o'clock in our region, so we could quickly see damaging wind gusts and large hail. The tornado threat is going to be very low for us. We could see a brief spin up as that line is trying to get its act together, but we think the higher tornado risk is going to be happening more to our north and to our east. So the latest hour by hour forecast is picking up those storms to start popping up after 2-3 o'clock, then become more of a line as it pushes off to the north and to the east. And you can see that squall line starting to develop after 2-3 o'clock as it pushes through our region, and then really move through northeast Missouri and southeast Iowa, heading into the afternoon, evening hours, and pushing into Illinois by 10 o'clock tonight. So that is why the moderate risk is in effect for our friends to the north and to the east of us. And then heading into your Saturday, we'll have partly sunny skies and quieter conditions, while our friends in the southeast will be dealing with a severe weather threat, again a moderate level 4 for our friends in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, into the Florida Panhandle, as they will also be dealing with a significant severe weather outbreak. So it's going to be a very active next few days across the lower 48. Stay weather aware today, 76 for the high. Tonight, 44 for your overnight low. Once the storms move out, partly cloudy skies. Cooler, near average this weekend. 50s with sunshine, back up into the 70s early next week with another chance of rain on Wednesday. That's going to cool us back down to the 50s midweek next week. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and keep it tuned here to KQ2 for the latest weather information.